Hi guys, how are you? So today we have a different video because I have so many things that I have to try. Then I'm like, okay, I took a shower, washed my hair, so this is the perfect timing to do like a nighttime routine with the samples that I got in some of the month's boxes. So I'm just gonna pick random products that I wanted to try out, and this is gonna be basically a nighttime routine that I would have because obviously I have to use the products for a while to notice the difference, but I can actually tell you how it feels right now. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we're gonna continue with 4 different products. So the first product that I chose was from the February box of Macy. And I got this one. It's the It Cleanser, Confidence in a Cleanser by It Cosmetics. So I decided to get the cleanser and wash my face. So I did shower and wash my face. I opened it. It's actually not really bad. The actual price for a full size of this is $22 to $28, so it's not bad. It leaves your face really soft. Like I feel like there's no oil, and it's actually for all skin types. So this is Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum, Anti-Aging or more. So it's a really nice. I liked it. I did the things that as directed. It says massage onto the wet skin for 30 seconds every morning and evening, rinse and pat dry. And I really enjoy that it's for both, like morning and evening, not that you have to have like 20 products that you have to, you know, like interchange because it's only for day or only for night. So I like that one. The smell is delicious. Actually a little bit came out and I got it on my nose, of course, right? It smells like a very light, faint smell, but it's really like lemony and has other fragrances right there, but it's really soft. So if you are not too much into smells, you shouldn't even worry about it because it's not really smelling. The next product that I'm going to get is also from that same bag, Macy's bag, but this is a Ultimate Miracle Worker Fix, and this is by Philosophy. So this is how it looks. It's just a little sample. Maybe it doesn't even last for a month, but I wanted to start using something different, reviewing some more products, and hopefully you guys like it. So this is really small sample. Let's see. Oh, it has a seal. And then it says to apply it on the eye area. So basically I take a little itty bitty slice amount and I pass it with my ring finger because of the softness to the touch. I will put it right there too. It smells really faint again, nothing too crazy. And this one says eye power treatment, feel and firm. So it fills and firms. Let's see anything else. So this one, it says directions, apply around the eye area, contour morning and evening. So basically this is the same kind of product that you use twice a day, so I really like it. The full size though is $68, and I mean it's not really that big. I mean obviously this is only a sample, but you know, what are you gonna do? When products are good, they tend to lift the prices up. So it says see a creaseless eye area in as little as 12 days. So I'm gonna keep on trying it and seeing, you know, how I like it and all that, and hopefully in 12 days I don't see any more creases in my eyes. It's not that I have so many, but it always helps. 31 now, so that's when all the signs of aging starts appearing. So the next thing that I chose was from the box Beauty Fix from the month of February, again 2018, and this is a Lipicar La Roche-Posay, hopefully I'm pronouncing that well, Laboratoire Dermatologique, and this is the sample. Came like this. The original price, like if you want to buy, is not even that bad. Like a full size is $14.99. So they do have other sizes. Just saying one of the sizes. This is 15 milliliters. Also a great sizing. This one, on the other hand, you apply evening and after. Apply morning and evening on clean skin, fast absorbing texture, non-greasy, non-sticky finish, keep out the reach of chill, of course. And I put a little bit, obviously not on the eye area, and I'm going to put it under on my neck. I'm gonna get a little bit more, and it's not greasy at all. I feel like my skin is absorbing it as we speak. It's a little bit, you know, it feels like tacky, I guess. That's the right word. Sticky. But I'm sure that will get absorbed really quick. So we will keep an eye on this. And it says normal to dry, sensitive skin in babies, blah blah blah. Oh, it's also for babies, children, and adults. Appropriate for body and face. So it's just a moisturizing lotion. I know it doesn't have any, like, you know, anything for your wrinkles or anything, but it's also good to moisturize. And now it's getting less tacky, making it more like soft to the touch, but still, you know, a little bit on the tacky side. So I mean, that's the only thing that I'm not liking right now, because tacky turns into sticky, and I mean, yeah. And then the next thing, because we cannot forget about our lips, I thought that we should try the Dr. Paw Paw Original Balm Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm with Natural Paw Paw for lips, skin, cuticles, beautiful finish, fragrance free. So this one is actually the full size $10, so it's not bad at all. And I'm going to put it on my lips. Has no odor at all that I can identify. I think I have some lotion there. Okay. That's about it. And I don't know if you guys see my previous videos, but I talked about my skin. I put lotion and look, it's red. I mean, don't think that it's gonna continue like that and I'm not having an allergic reaction. It's just my skin is weird. So that's about it, guys. I mean, I hope you really enjoy me reviewing products, because I have a ton to review and I want to start doing more of these. So if you do like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions about the products. I'm gonna keep on using it and then see if I actually see a difference or not. The only one that I could see a difference would be the one from the eye wrinkles, because like the cleanser doesn't really specify it will do anything else. So please give me a thumbs up, and bye guys, have a good night.